get a H.V.A.C fan today. We're going to change the motor on up on the roof here. You know, your typical roof. That little motor in there we're going to replace. So I got the replacement motor, and I'll go ahead and take this apart and show you how this one goes. Okay, so there's a couple little pins you take out of these. This little tube here has to come out to get to this whole motor compartment out, to get the motor off the blower wheel. And there's also a pin on the inside here too we're going to take apart. This will twist in here and rotate and come out so we can get this off. I'll show you that in a second. Okay, so I got the pins out, and then you can pull the tube out for your conduit. Now we can start taking the rest of this apart. Okay, then you got your inside brackets all the way around. You take the screws out, 2, 3 of those. Then you have the inner legs. There's 4 inner legs. You take the nuts off. There's 2 nuts on each leg. And there's 4 of those all the way around. And then we can get this whole apparatus out of here. And I'll show you that in just a second here. Okay, and then that's the motor and the shroud and the wheel, and we'll get this all out of here. And there it is. Now we'll take it apart. Okay, so this one has double nuts. So you loosen the retaining nut, loosen up your set screw, same on both sides. And then we'll get this loosened up and off the shaft so we can get this blade off the motor. Okay, so we got the motor out. We got our wheel out of here for the exhaust fan. You see there's some crud in there. I'm going to go ahead and take the brush and just do some scrubbing. You know, get this thing all cleaned up. So I'll take care of that right now. Okay. So we got our fan blade back on the new motor. Everything's secured. Then we're going to reinstall it. You can see that the bolts for the legs are built into them. They just go back into the holes accordingly, and then we just build this thing back together. Okay, so we got the motor and the wheel back in. The legs are all bolted back in, and the retaining brackets, looks like we took off all the way around. They're kind of fun to get back in there. The one side took a little fandangling, but we got it. So then next we'll put the tube back through and get it all pinned back in. And then we'll get it all rewired back up. So the new motor came with its own Molex connector. Got that hooked up. It's got a little speed pitcher in there, almost like a dimmer switch type deal. Getting rid of that. This motor is either high speed or low speed, and we're going to run it on high speed for the application they're using it for, so there's no need for that switch anymore, so I'm going to get rid of it. And we'll go ahead and finish up our wiring. Okay, the last thing is to check rotation. There's our arrow. That's our rotation. This one can be changed with interchanging these 2 wires, but we got the right rotation. Let's turn it on. Okay, that's changing out the little motor with the amp there. Let's get a little amp draw on it, make sure we're good. Okay, we're at 3.8 amps. The motor's rated for 4.9. So we're in good shape. Let me get my cover on here and then we're all done. Okay, there she is, all done. Changing out the motor on the little H.V.A.C. exhaust fan. All right, thanks for watching.